Click on the Characteristics button in the Main Toolbar to edit your scan information. Give your project a title. This title will also appear on any PDF report that you are going to create. Add notes and further information that might be necessary, like detector and probe information, scan mode, scan type, impulse mode, description of environment, obstacles in scan field, measurement conditions. Check, edit and correct the scan dimensions. Moreover, you can add the GPS location of your current measurement. You may adjust the view and perspective to position the crosshairs more precisely. Place the crosshairs on the desired scan value to get more information. Get current information on each single scan value in the Scan Information panel on the right sidebar. Here you can also edit the current scan information by clicking the Characteristics button.